This video, I'll show you how to create a YouTube subscribe link that opens the subscribe pop-up automatically. All you have to do is open up Chrome and search youtube.com. Log into your YouTube account. Once you're done, select the profile icon and select YouTube Studio. On left side, select customization. Scroll down, channel URL. Copy the URL using this icon and open up Notepad. Paste it in blank area. This is a channel URL. Check my video description for this text used in my video. Just copy. At the end of the channel URL, paste the text we copied. And now the subscribe prompt link is ready. Copy. And if someone clicks this link, confirm YouTube subscription, or you sure want to subscribe to my channel. People who hit the link get this prompt. They can subscribe or cancel it as their wish. Now you can use this link on your YouTube channel, guys. Just copy the link and paste it in. Click here to subscribe. Paste the link in here and add in the description, guys. That's all you have to do. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.